Hello everyone, today we're talking about Dentitox Pro on the DAAC Reviews channel. We've prepared a comprehensive review video covering everything you need to know before purchasing Dentitox Pro. Pay close attention as I share crucial alerts throughout the video to ensure you avoid mistakes when using or buying Dentitox Pro. The first thing you should know about Dentitox Pro is to be cautious about the website you choose to buy it from, as it is only sold on the official site. To assist you, I've provided the link to the official site below in the video description. Now, what is Dentitox Pro, and does it really work? The answer is yes. Dentitox Pro does work, and after extensive laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that yield excellent results. I'm excited to share a formula that promotes dental health, strengthening teeth, and ensuring fresh breath. Before turning this formula into a supplement, I ensured that the ingredients are natural, sourced from local producers committed to chemical-free cultivation. The blend is carefully balanced to preserve properties, and the entire process adheres to strict sterilization standards with regularly disinfected equipment. So you can trust this product. Many people have achieved great results with Dentitox Pro, as evidenced by numerous customer testimonials on the official site. However, it's essential to remember that each body reacts uniquely, so be realistic about your treatment and expectations. Now, regarding guarantees and usage, it's crucial to know that you can test Dentitox Pro for 60 days, and if you don't see results or are dissatisfied for any reason, they offer a money-back guarantee. Therefore, feel confident using Dentitox Pro, but ensure you purchase from the official site to enjoy the benefits of the guarantee. To make Dentitox Pro effective, take the treatment seriously, applying 6 drops of the liquid supplement to teeth and gums once a day, either with toothpaste or separately. Failure to follow this may lead to frustration. Initial results may be visible in the first month, but most people experience better results after the gradual effect. Due to the gradual effect, it's important to note that Dentitox Pro has no side effects as it is a natural product. In conclusion, this video aims to caution you about the site from which you purchase Dentitox Pro and emphasizes the importance of adhering to the precise treatment for optimal results. Keep in mind that your results will be unique to your body's response. I genuinely hope this video has assisted you and Dentitox Pro contributes significantly to improving your life. Remember, the official product site can be found in the video description. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you soon.